if it happens that you have a family member who is living with a certain medical condition and his or she is taking his medication, then I think that person should receive a full support from the family. Because if you don't have a support structure, then it's becomes a problem. I think each and every member of the family should set an alarm for that particular individual so that he or she can remember when it's time for medication. And the most important thing is to take full milk before taking medication.
Okay, I think the government should do something about this situation, because I think it lacks on community education about how to handle medicine and when to take medicines and when not to take medicines. So the problem comes when people don't take their medicines in time, because it depends on time schedules, like those ARV ones which have been taken in time. So I think the government should hire people to do